This is our campsite that we pulled in about 10 o'clock last night. This is beautiful, beautiful. We're right on like the edge of the Grand Canyon right now. And we found this in the middle of the night, drove, and if you just continue to walk out over here, you will have this epic view. And you know me, it's all about the views. So let's take a look. We're about 9,000 feet in elevation, and this goes on for miles. I think if you go this way, over here, you actually have the Grand Canyon. How is it? I know, there's a lot in there. I know, there's. Alright, Josmic. First time seeing the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, I'm excited.
What do you think?
Amazing.
Yeah. How would you like to backpack it down there? That's amazing. Pretty cool town. Thanks for the time. Can I take this out? Let's see. Oh yeah. The views. Yeah, buddy. Okay. It looks like people are sketching in a lot of stuff in the stone. You see that? Okay, this is pretty cool. Let's take a look at this. Yep, be careful. Yeah. Are you coming in? Oh, wow. Whew. This is like Indiana Jones. Right?
Yeah.
Jeez. Dr. Jones! Dr. Jones! Yeah, it gets pretty dark in here. This is something else. And woo, I just pulled off the road to check this place out. Whoa. Oh, it's getting darker. I could put on the flash. Let's see. I like it without the flash. Yeah, looks like there's some other people up here carving into the wall. Probably not the best idea to write your name in this stuff. I was seeing it for like the family back there. Ridiculous. Oh well. People just don't know. Bless you. Yeah. Let's see what this is. A sheep shelter. Huh. Pretty cool. So, oh wow, that is really interesting. So, we'll zoom in. Do you see what I see? Pretty cool. Another random thing. Yeah, buddy. And right across from this, there is another sheep pattern. I'm gonna actually walk up to it. You can kind of see it. Whoa. Let's see. There we go. Yeah. Months, but let's take a look at this. Okay, I can't actually climb up there. I mean, I could, but the fall would hurt me. Okay, go ahead and take. It's on a break. One more close look up. I mean, look at close up of the little sheep. Pretty cool. Oh yeah. And now we're off to find the 100 Hand Cave. It's about a half. It's about a half a mile hike, so pretty short. And we actually parked on that side of the highway, and here we are. Okay. Oh wow. So if you're looking at this, here, let's go ahead. What you're looking at, there's about 31 handprints, and these were all formed about between 500 and 1,000 years ago, and they would use like different minerals and stuff and put their hand right up on there. This was believed that it wasn't used for a shelter, but yet it was just kind of a place for people to just pass through. And again, you can see like some more mountains right here. Looks, I mean, I would guess that they're mountains. And then maybe a person. But pretty interesting stuff. Super old. Yeah, cool. Dun, dun, dun. We got snow!